Hey everyone, today we're gonna pollute the environment a little. Just kidding. Haha. Ever wondered how you could make a smoke grenade at home? This smoke grenade is harmless and probably won't explode. At least I hope it doesn't. Grab a piece of paper and fold it exactly like in the picture. Oh yeah, my favorite part. Time to scrape off those match heads. To get more smoke, we'll need a bit of sparkler too. It's probably a good idea to keep a fire extinguisher nearby while doing this, just in case things get too exciting. Mixing this stuff the right way is super important. We seal the end so the good stuff doesn't spill out. You're looking at a homemade funnel. We're filling this thing to the brim. Thanks for subscribing to the channel. Hope this little fuse does its job. All right, let's test out this smoke monster.